Hi, welcome to my studio. I am so happy to have you here with me today. Those of you that don't know me, my name is Carly. I have partnered with Handcrafted Supply to bring you a series of macrame wall hanging tutorials. Today, we are going to be turning this into this. I'm so excited. If you know your frame is gonna come bare, feel free to get super creative with how you wanna decorate yours. You could do newspaper clippings and Mod Podge, you could do a bunch of stickers, you can get super crazy with it. Get started. To begin, you'll find the middle of your 65-inch green cord and create a lark's head knot. You will pull the middle towards the back and then wrap it around the front, pulling the legs through the cord. Repeat this step 5 more times until you have all 6 cords attached. We are going to begin making our diamond by finding our 2 center cords. Take our right cord underneath our left and loop it around to the left and pull to tighten. You will do this twice per cord until you have all of the right side done. Then repeat this same process on the left. We are going to repeat that same process for clove hitch knots, starting on our right and then again on our left until we have 2 diagonal lines again. We are now going to make a square knot in the center of our diamond, taking our left outer cords on top of our center cords, using our right outer cords to be looped behind those cords and pull on top of the left cords. Tighten to your desired tension and repeat this process using the right cords on top of the other cords, and then our left cords come behind and loop on top. We're then going to close up our diamond using 2 rows of clove hitch knots again. Same as we did on top, just mirror that image. Using our right side first, wrap those working cords around your filler cord and loop out to the right, and then pull to tighten. Next, we will find the center of our red 80-inch cords. You will attach 3 on each side of the greens that you just worked with, using a lark's head knot. We will be making 4 diamonds on each side with our red cords using clove hitch knots. Using those 2 center cords, take the left cord and wrap it around the right cord and pull to tighten. Like I said before, repeat this process 4 times on each side. once you've completed the left side, you'll go to your right side. Again, using your 2 center cords, you will take the right cord and wrap it around the left and pull to tighten, and repeat this process 4 times until you have completed 4 diamonds. Using our 2 outer cords, we are going to be making 2 more clove hitch knots, completing our line on each side. You will use the 3 inner cords to make a square knot. 4 cords will be your filler cords, where that 3rd cord on each side will be the one that makes the square knot. We're going to close up our diamond by using clove hitch knots again. Starting with the cord closest to you, you will repeat in a downward motion until you've done everything on the left side, then repeat that same process on the right. Next, we will be attaching our 32-inch cord in the space between the diamonds. You will find the center, bring the loop underneath that cord, and then pull the legs through that loop to make a reverse lark's head knot. Repeat this process 10 times on each side. Next, we will be attaching our 6 102-inch green cords, 3 on each side of the red cords that you were just working with, using a lark's head knot. Same process as before, we will be making more diamonds with our green cords using clove hitch knots. To close our diamond, we're going to be grabbing those center cords as our working cords, wrap it around the filler cord and pull out on the left, tighten, and repeat again twice for each cord. Repeat this entire process 7 times so you have 7 diamonds total. You're going to repeat that same exact process on the right using those remaining 102-inch green cords. You're going to be mirroring exactly what you did on the left. Using those 2 center cords, begin your 7 diamonds that you're going to create using clove hitch knots. We are going to attach those green cords using one last square knot, except this time you will have 6 filler cords. To finish closing up these green cords, begin with the cord closest to the left. Use clove hitch knots at a downward angle until you reach the center, and then begin that same process on the right until you have 2 diagonal lines. The last cords we need to attach are those 19-inch green cords. Using a reverse lark's head knot, you will do 2 per section. The last step in our wall hanging is trimming and brushing out our fringe to your desired length. Personally, I like to lay my wall hanging down so I can get those perfect edges that I'm looking for. I do it layer by layer, just lifting up the top layer and the middle layer, and then laying everything flat and begin trimming to your desired length. Just made your very own macrame wall hanging. Let's start that happy dance again. Now wait to see how you guys decorate your frames. Be sure to tag the Knotted Cat and Handcrafted Supply on Instagram or Facebook, and I hope to see you again. Bye!